There comes a moment, not once, but often, when you feel that your outer life sucks or you're stuck. But the real chaos is inside. You have 1,000 things to do, but your soul is tired. Not the kind of tired that sleep can fix, the kind where every decision feels heavy, even the small ones. Should I reply now or later? Should I speak up or stay quiet? Should I act or just give up for today? You're not lazy. You are not lost. You are just carrying too many questions without space to hear the answers. And that's the silent suffering of modern life. Constant doing without conscious choosing. When that happens, even the best of us get pulled into survival mode. We delay important decisions, we chase urgency, we doubt our own knowing, and slowly we disconnect from the version of us that was born to lead, to flow, to move with power and peace. That's where this video becomes more than content. It becomes a tool, a mirror, a reset, if you may. Today, I'm going to guide you through something I call the Choice Reset Hypnosis, a process that clears the mental fog, calms your nervous system, and reconnects you with your inner clarity. So your decisions aren't made from fear or fatigue, but from alignment. Why the name, the Choice Reset Hypnosis? Because every time you choose from your center, you reclaim your power. You stop reacting and start responding. You stop doubting and start moving. And life meets you with flow instead of friction. And before I teach you this profound and transformative technique, I want to quickly share why I do what I do. The aim of this channel and my mission is to help people achieve personal mastery and peak performance through alternative education. That means teaching you the mental models, subconscious strategies, and emotional tools that schools and colleges never taught us, but that life demands every day. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a student, a homemaker, or a professional, this is about helping you live as the best version of yourself in whatever role you play. All right, then, let's get into the practice that can change how you make decisions even on your most mentally drained days. Because the quality of your life is shaped by the quality of your choices. And when you are no longer choosing from survival but from alignment, you stop creating more chaos and start creating momentum. You start making decisions you are proud of. Decisions that move your life forward. Decisions that honor your peace, your values, your future. Whether it is your finances, your children, your relationships, your business, or your health, it all begins with one inner shift. One quiet moment that reconnects you with your deepest knowing. That is what this practice is here to unlock. Let's look at what's really happening beneath the surface. Your conscious mind, the part of you that thinks, decides, and plans, is just 2% of your mental capacity. But every single day, we force it to make thousands of decisions. Some say we make about 35,000 decisions a day. From what to wear, to how to respond to that one difficult message on WhatsApp, to what task should come next. And this doesn't just happen once, it's constant. A professional gets off one call and is immediately hit with emails, updates, meetings, and new decisions. An entrepreneur finishes solving a team issue only to face 10 more pivots and uncertainties. A student opens 5 tabs and doesn't begin any one thing. A parent moves from one demand to another until the brain feels like it's on fire, unable to think, feel, or choose. What most people call being stuck is often not laziness, it is cognitive overload. Your mind isn't failing, it is over functioning. And eventually, the system crashes. But you know what the truth is? Decision fatigue doesn't just affect the present moment, it has a ripple effect. Take a mother who's made 50 small decisions by 9 a.m., then comes a critical one about her child's education, health, or future. But her system is drained, so she hesitates or reacts from stress. And that one choice, made from exhaustion, not intuition, can shape weeks, months, or years ahead. Think of an entrepreneur. They have been firefighting all day, and then a major decision lands, a partnership, a shift, a financial risk, but they are not choosing from clarity. They are just trying to clear their plate. That's when costly mistakes happen. Or take a corporate employee, burned out, on autopilot. And so they choose the easiest path again and again until it becomes their story, their ceiling, their regret. An investor picking the wrong stock in the state and later regretting the decision is a common scene amongst investors these days. That's the danger of decision fatigue. It doesn't scream, it whispers. It convinces you that surviving is enough. And over time, that mindset kills your growth, your creativity, and your peace. The wrong mental state at the wrong moment leads to the wrong decision and direction in life. That's why we don't just need better habits, we need an internal system, a method that restores clarity, alignment, and access to our inner wisdom. But what happens when decision fatigue is handled, not escaped, not ignored, but truly transformed? You begin to make what I call power decisions. These are the decisions that influence energy, direction, destiny, choices that come from alignment, not anxiety, from presence, not pressure. These are the decisions you look back on with peace, not regret. They don't just shape your day, they shape your story. Because when you choose from clarity, you plant seeds for a better future. This could be the decision to invest wisely, to have that difficult conversation with your loved one, to set a boundary that protects your peace, to choose your child's future with trust, not tension, to act on an idea in your business instead of sitting on it for months, to take that first step toward the body, the career, the relationship you know you are meant for. Every power decision builds momentum. Every aligned choice returns your power. And that's why what we are about to do isn't just a technique, it's a reconnection. Before we begin the Choice Reset Hypnosis, I want you to know that I have created some very powerful support resources for you, including my HATS method that helps you turn negative emotions into power. These resources are available free of cost as of now. Please click on the link in the description to access them. Now let's do the Choice Reset Hypnosis technique. Wherever you are, pause for a moment, not just physically, but energetically. If your thoughts have been scattered, call them back. If your heart has been racing, let it slow. You are not here to escape the noise. You are here to remember the silence beneath it. This is where your power lives. Now, think of a decision you have been avoiding. It doesn't matter how big or small. A decision that feels like it's been quietly draining your energy in the background. Bring it into your awareness without judgment. Just see it. And now ask yourself this: what would the calm, centered, future version of me choose in this moment? The version of you who is no longer carrying the weight of fear, doubt, or exhaustion. The version of you who doesn't act from panic, but from presence. Just stay with that question. Let the answer rise. No pressure, no force. Just trust that a part of you already knows. And the moment that answer comes to you, when it rises from within, I want you to anchor it. Gently press your thumb and middle finger together. As you breathe in, say to yourself inwardly, I choose with clarity. And as you breathe out, say, I decide with peace. Again, breathe in. I choose with clarity. Breathe out. I decide with peace. One more time. Breathe in. I choose with clarity. Breathe out. I decide with peace. This may feel simple, but don't confuse simplicity with smallness. What you are doing here is sending a new instruction to your nervous system. You are teaching your body what clarity feels like so that when the next decision arises, your body remembers without needing to overthink. Now, allow yourself to feel the shift. Not dramatic, just quieter, clearer, stronger. This is how power returns, not in noise, but in alignment. In this state, your next choice is no longer a burden, it becomes a bridge to who you are becoming. And the more you practice this, the less energy you waste in hesitation, and the more life opens for you in response. If even a small part of you felt something shift, type clarity installed in the comments below. Let that be your declaration that you are choosing from your center now, not from your chaos. If that brought you even a moment of stillness, if you felt the fog lift even slightly, then honor that shift. Before the noise of the world pulls you back, do this. Like the video if you haven't already, and subscribe so you don't miss the deeper work we will continue to do together here. And if you know even one person, actually three, who might need this today, someone in confusion, someone burning out silently, share this with them now, not later, now, while you are still connected to that clarity, because energy shared in the right moment can change lives. And what you just experienced is only a glimpse. Inside Foundation X, we go much deeper. It's not a motivational course. It is not a temporary high. It's a path, a system designed to help you rewire the way you think, feel, decide, and act. So you stop living on autopilot and start living on purpose. We dive into everything schools never taught: mental clarity, emotional strength, subconscious programming, aligned action, all the inner skills that shape outer success. Whether you are building a business, nurturing a family, climbing in your career, or trying to find your footing as a student, Foundation X is built to meet you where you are and take you where you are meant to be. If today's process resonated with you, I invite you to explore it. The links for this program and the free resources are in the description. I'll see you in the next one. This is Dr. MD Ahmed. Take charge.